Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Windows 11 how to remove Microsoft account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to remove your Microsoft account, what you need to do is first simply head over and open up the start menu, and on the search bar simply type in settings, or you can just simply head over and press Windows plus I and the setting tab will be open to you. Then once you're inside the settings tab, what you need to do is on the left hand side of the screen you'll be seeing a bunch of options, and among them just simply select this account option right here. Then once you're inside the account option, what you need to do is scroll all the way down until you find the option that says email and accounts under account settings. Then once you find it, simply tap on it, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is look for an option that says accounts used by other apps, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is select your Microsoft account, and on the drop down menu simply tap on manage, and once you're inside the manage, then you find an option that says remove. Simply tap on remove and follow the on-screen prompts to successfully remove your Microsoft account. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.